to Shannon Airport, 10 minutes ahead of schedule, and our local time here is 5 past 5. For your own safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft is parked on stand and a flight crew will switch off the seatbelt sign for you. Exercise extreme caution when open the overhead lockers, as item of your carry luggage may become dislodged during landing and causing injury. Those of you who smoke, please refrain from doing so until you reach the designated smoking area outside the terminal building. Those of you seeking car hire, please visit our website ryanair.com, where we guarantee the cheapest car hire prices. Finally, on behalf of flight crew, especially our board crew today, thank you for choosing to fly with us, and I hope to see you on another Ryanair scheduled service in the very near future. From all of us, once again, thank you and goodbye.
Sam Slade, open doors, please.